First, right now I have come to Akal Borish. You can see that I am standing next to a jackfruit tree. There are many jackfruit beside the road. You can see that there are many jackfruit hanging on the jackfruit tree. You can see that the color of the jackfruit is yellow, and some of the jackfruit are ripe, but many of the jackfruit are not ripe. They are unripe, and after a few days all the jackfruit will be ripe, and the owner of this jackfruit tree will take the jackfruit in the market or other places, or he will take the jackfruit for his family. And you can see that the jackfruit shape is totally different, and the another trees of the jackfruit tree, there are many jackfruit. You can see that, and the you can see this is the big jackfruit, and the owner of this jackfruit tree told me that the jackfruit is so delicious and tasty. If you can take this type of jackfruit from this place, so you can come this place, and really tasty and juicy this type of jackfruit. I can see that the owner of this jackfruit is planting a mango tree beside the jackfruit, but I am unable to show you because show you. So guys, in the public place, if you want to say something, like me without any hesitation. So if you can follow my channel, and if you can follow my channel, inshallah you will be motivated by following my channel. My channel is Shafiq Daily English. So thank you very much.